Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add products to your Shopify store. Whether you're selling physical items, digital downloads, or services, this is the easiest way to get your first product live on your store. So let's dive right in. First of all, log in to Shopify using your user credentials. After you log in, you will see Shopify's dashboard. You'll have to simply click on the product step, that is the third option from the top. So what you'll have to do is simply click on this Add Product button on this page. Here's where you enter all the key info. Give your product a title. Write a detailed description. Upload high-quality images. Set your pricing. Add inventory info like SKU and quantity. And if it's a physical product, enter the weight and shipping details. Add variants. If your product comes in different sizes, colors, or styles, you can add variants right here. Set the product status. At the top right, choose whether to save this as a draft or make it active to start selling immediately. Then after finishing all the product information related to your product, click on the save icon at the top. After you do this, your product will be successfully uploaded. To your online store. You can simply click on this View Your Online Store button. You can see your product is uploaded. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Shopify tutorials, and drop a comment if you want a video on how to manage orders or add digital products. Thanks for watching.